Hello friends, welcome to Newsmaster for today's top 10 news, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, like our Facebook page and follow our website www.newsmasters.in. So the first news is RBI Reserve Bank of India said that 1.3 lakhs depositor of CKP Cooperative Bank, about 99.2%, will get full payment of the deposits from the Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation. RBI has cancelled the license of CKP Cooperative Bank with effect from April 30th. So the next second news is Go Air chairman Nusli Wadia and MD Jahangir Wadia informed that majority of employees will be paid on a graded and deferred basis as there are no cash reserves. Airline has sought government help for financial assistance and structural changes. The third news is Bajaj Auto reports zero sales in domestic market in the month of April amid lockdown. The company shares were down by 7% on Monday. India's manufacturing activity falls to an all-time low in April. The fourth news is the US government has announced 60-day grace period to H-1B visa holders and green card applicants. The grace period will be permitted to documents whose issuance date falls between March, April and July 1. Fifth news, Arogya Setu adds Mitra portal for free COVID-19 consultations and book doorstep sample collection for lab tests. Users can also order medicines online from the listed platforms. Sixth news is Civil Services Prelim exam UPSC Prelim exam scheduled to be held on May 31st has been postponed. UPSC said the situation will be reviewed again on May 20. Seventh news is government to facilitate return of Indians stranded abroad from May 7. Only asymptomatic passengers would be allowed to travel. Eighth news is global COVID-19 cases cross 35 lakh. That's rise to nearly 2.48 lakh. North America and European countries account for the majority of cases reported in the recent dates, but the growth has declined. Ninth news is India has lodged a strong protest with Pakistan over Pak Supreme Court's order on Gilgit Baltistan. The last 10th news is software unicorn startup Freshworks appoints Tyler Slot as CFO. It was launched from Chennai and is valued at $3.5 billion. So thank you friends for watching Newsmaster for